Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on Firefox. Many people would like to continually clear their cache for different reasons. Sometimes people feel like it takes up too much space on their storage, or sometimes maybe they feel like it will boost the speed of their browser up. Some people simply don't want it. Sometimes it causes issues. There are many reasons. Thankfully, you have the option to clear your cache on multiple browsers, and usually it's very simple. We have tutorials on other browsers you can check out, and we're going to go through how to do it on Firefox right now. So, as per usual, this is our home page. I need to make the distinction that there is a huge difference between cache and history. You're able to view your history as a distinction, and cache is a little bit more obscure. Also takes a little bit less time. It takes a little bit less space on your PC, and can get a little bit trickier to delete. It's usually somewhere obscure, whereas with history you get like a really big red alert button. So how do you go about clearing your cache? Well, first you click here, little 3 line here, and then you want to go on options. Okay, then we move slightly downward. You see general home search. You see this option called privacy and security. You want to click on that, and then we scroll down a little bit, just your cookies and site data. Your stored cookies, site data, and cache are currently using 5.5 megabyte disk space. Now, the reason my cache isn't that big is because I don't primarily use Firefox at the moment. If you constantly and frequently use Firefox, the size is going to be considerably larger. Doesn't matter. We're just going to clear it out. As you can see, I have the option to clear data. You can choose. You can just delete cookies and site data. You may be signed out of websites if cleared. Will require websites to load images and data. So cookies and site data is basically when you log into a website, tells you to remember this website, blah blah blah, the password. That's the one you want to delete if you want that. This is the images and data that the browser automatically downloads on your computer. So if you want to delete both, or if you want to delete either, you can take them off. I'm going to delete both. I'm going to click clear now, and as you can see right now, it says your stored cookies, cited, and cache are currently using 0 bytes of disk space. So my cache is cleared. Okay, so that is how you clear your cache on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.